Hey, what's going on everybody? Scott Hilse here with you today. I just want to make this video to update all of you guys who might be curious as to what I've been up to, what I've been focused on, where I'm going, all of that. So I'm just gonna put this out there. If you guys have any questions about whatever I talk about in this video, or literally any questions at all, comment below. I'm not gonna waste any more time. I'm gonna hop right into what I've been doing. So first topic that you guys are probably interested in is drop shipping. I get the question all the time, are you still drop shipping? How are your stores doing? All that. Most people ask that question haven't really watched the video where I talk about how I'm drop shipping in 2020. It's a little different. But back in April, I partnered with one of my business partners and we formed a little team. We had a store builder, an ads guy, an ad research person. And the first store we launched together was great. It started making money. I don't know guys, I guess this communication was lost. So that just didn't really work out. It's nothing on them and it's nothing on me. And now there's a mutual understanding, especially on my end, of how I work. I realized that if I'm not hands-on in any project, because I was very hands-off on that project. It was more of like, here's the info, now go apply it. I need to be hands-on or I'm not gonna get the results that I want. Now that's all over and I'm back to drop shipping myself and I love it. It's like a part of me that I haven't had in a while because I haven't personally built a store in many months just because I had the team to do it. So yesterday I launched a store and look at this. So here's my store. I launched it yesterday at 1:28 p.m. and within the first 6 hours I already had $200 in sales. I literally had 21 people visit yesterday and by the time I had $200 in revenue, there was only 14 people on the website. Oh, did you guys hear that finger crack? Oh my God. Branded one product drop shipping is amazing. That's still what I'm doing. The way I found it was through AdSpy. If you guys don't know what AdSpy is, I made a whole video on that. So you can look at other people's Facebook ads. Every Facebook ad that's currently active right now, you can look through that. That is literally the only research method I'd recommend in 2020. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description and pin comment below if you guys just wanna try it out. So my profit margin on each sale is $42. So I'm really excited about this store because I see this store, since I have the premium domain, which is the actual name of the product.com, I can definitely see myself taking this into more of a order in bulk and then have it fulfilled that way. I'm not gonna do that at the beginning, of course, because I definitely gotta keep testing. It's literally only been 24 hours now since I launched this product, but it's shown really good results. So I will definitely keep you guys updated on that. So in terms of the drop shipping, that covers basically everything that's been going on in my life. I plan on opening more stores. I plan on scaling, only this time I think I'm gonna have a more stricter tunnel vision on getting this product into a brand, an actual physical bulk ordered brand, instead of just drop shipping. So I think that's the way I'm gonna approach this differently. And I'm definitely gonna apply what I learned about myself through having a partnership with drop shipping moving forward. All right, so next, so I know a lot of you have questions about what the issue is with the stock trading. Like everybody knows I've been getting into stocks. I have been working very hard the past 6 months. That's what I spent most of my time in Corona lockdown on, is learning stocks and specifically options trading. Now what's really cool is I'm getting guided in options trading by my mentor, who after knowing him for well over a year, this is by far the most successful person I have ever met in my entire life. And it took a year of knowing him to figure it out, because what I'm learning as I start to meet and talk to richer and richer people is the higher you go up that ladder, the less you want to be known. And that's a common theme I'm starting to learn. So I can't reveal too much information about him, unfortunately, because he has a crazy story. I'm trying to talk him into coming on my podcast, but like not his face or anything, just his voice, just to like ask him questions, because I think you guys would benefit from that so much. But anyway, we've been trying this tactic where we trade Tuesday through Friday for the past month or so. And it's been going extremely well. I started doing it with paper trading, and I started trying it with real money about 2 weeks ago. So you're getting very consistent, positive green day results. And it's only Tuesday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. my time till 10:30 a.m. my time. So that's Central Zone. So the first 2 hours of the market, Tuesday through Friday, and then it's a walk away situation. The tactics that we're doing don't really apply to the rest of the day. It's just taking advantage of the volatility in the first couple hours of the market. So for those of you who haven't seen this, here's where I am basically every Tuesday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. It's a great way to get up early, great way to start the morning. So I can't get too deep into the tactics I'm using, simply because my mentor wants to keep it, kind of low key, doesn't want me just sharing it. And I've been trading and focused on this for many months, and finally it's actually working out. It's so cool to see money make money. And it's such a clean transaction. That's the one downside of dropshipping is like you gotta deal with sometimes the chargebacks, potential chargebacks, shipping, fulfillment. This, it's just like the other day I traded Tesla and I made 120% on a trade in 8 minutes. It was the quickest, biggest return I've ever had. I've had hundreds of percentage returns before, but I've never had over 100% 8 minutes. That's fucking crazy. So that's it for the stock part of what's been going on with me. I guess next is like, I moved back from LA. Most of you will know this. Went to Colorado for a month and then really got to thinking a lot, and that changed my life for sure. I realized exactly what I need to do, where I'm going. So actually, I don't want to speak too much on it, but stay tuned in the next week to see a video because I'm not going to be living in this unit anymore for very long. And that is something I am extremely excited about, and you guys will see why in the next week. I want to keep that more of a secret. In terms of the podcast, if you guys haven't followed Simplify Podcast, that's in the description and pinned comment below as well. Go and follow that. I just had Fez on, my old roommate. He's literally 18. He did millions in drop shipping by the time he was 17, and now he has his own CBD company. This dude's only 18 years old. There's so many good interviews getting piled on there, as well as solo podcasts I'm doing by myself. Do I see myself moving back to LA at the end of this lease? Because this lease ends in 6 months. I can't say. So that's something that I can't just speak on right now because I'm just monitoring the situation. And to tell you the truth, it's not so much to the virus itself that's keeping me from moving back. It's the reaction of the virus. Just been eating real healthy, just been working out real healthy. So much happier than I was at that other shitty ass backup apartment I was forced to move into. But anyway, you live and you learn. I learned a lot about myself there. I'm not gonna dive too deep into it on this video, but I'll dive deep into it on the podcast that's coming up next. So be sure to go to Simplify Podcast. Oh, and lastly, that gets me on the topic of the Simplify apparel. I do have some cool designs in there, some prototypes. Actually, I'm gonna go grab them right now. Here are some new designs that we got coming out for my Simplify apparel clothing line. It's a process, but I'm getting there. But I'll just give you a short preview of one. This is probably my favorite design right here, Simplify. And then we got the splatter Simplify right here. I get major Nickelodeon vibes from this one. Ba-da-ba. And the classic Simplify right here. And for the graphics, I actually learned the whole time I was using PNGs when I found out through trial and error that PDFs make a way crisper design. And so lastly, I got this one right here. So these are the 4 designs that I'm gonna be coming out with once the time is right, once I got everything right. And so that's pretty much an update on everything. That's an update of where I am right now, physically, mentally. So I'm very excited for the future. I'm very, very, very excited for the next couple weeks. My birthday's in a week. I just realized my birthday's literally in a week. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't hit like, just hit that like. If you have any questions about anything I said, remember, leave that in the description below. Leave that in the comment section below. I'll do my best to respond to it. Anyway, thank you guys so much.